Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make these Christmas tree sort of earrings. So you need to start off by making some sort of creamy coloured base, and then you'll need some dark green, some purple and some blue clay. So you're going to start off by rolling your three colours, so your purple, blue and green, onto your thinnest setting. So mine's number 9. And then you want to press it into your work surface so it doesn't move, and then you want to start cutting out your Christmas tree shapes. It doesn't matter if they're perfect or not, as long as they look like Christmas trees, which mine, half of them do not, then I think you'll be fine. So once you're finished with your green clay, you want to do the exact same to your purple, and then after you're finished with your purple, then you want to do it with your blue.
But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
I think this entire process actually took me like 2 hours to do, so you're welcome for editing. Also, on my blue clay, I kind of gave up making the Christmas trees and decided to just make triangles because I literally couldn't be bothered to spend another hour cutting out trees. And then after you finish that, you are going to want to take some white acrylic paint, and I just got my dotting tool and I don't know, tried to recreate snow on the Christmas trees and just put some paint on the tops and some of the lower branches.
Alright, gentlemen, I want you to repeat after me just how I do it. Ready? Your turn. Very good. Go ahead now. Good golly. Bring it around now. Ladies. Good golly. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you Mr. Charlie Puth on keys.
And then after that, I decided to be real fancy and put some white dots pretty much everywhere all over it, so it wasn't as plain.
Bring the beat back.
Let me see you better boop when the beat drops.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was very good. We're going to do the whole thing one more time. Follow my step. What do you say?
So now it's time to grab your shape cutters and try and Tetris the way through your slab, not to waste as much clay. So now what I'm doing is I'm trying to pair earrings with a topper, so like the part my earring backs would go into. So I'm just choosing what colours would look best with the shapes. And so I pretty much chose some blue, some white and a little bit of green. Then you want to bake them in the oven according to package's instructions. So once they've come out of the oven and they've completely cooled down, it's time to drill our holes. So I single-handedly did not film any of this and it was all out of frame, so I'll just cut it in half. So what I did was I used my pin drill just to drill through the earring, and then I put my jump rings through once I drilled the holes. So this is what they all looked like in the end. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching.